Let's give a big round of applause for SimpleScan. Yeah, come on. The floor is yours, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are SimpleScan. And we decided to take on the Habitat for Humanity real-time inventory project for two very important reasons. The first was the team actually already decided before I joined, but the second is about 20 years ago, I volunteered at a build, and a few years later, I volunteered in a restore, so there was some background there. And very, very important moment. Yesterday morning, Daniel actually suggested, why don't we work backwards from the customer, and the restore is only like 30 minutes away. We could pop over there, talk to those guys, and see what's up. So we did. We called in the car, Divyesh drove, had conversations on the way, took a selfie in front of the store, and talked to Mark, the store manager. And he was gracious enough to share 30 minutes of his time with us. Answered all sorts of questions, including a really important one when we floated it. We're like, hey, what if we put all your stuff online, put your inventory online? You could reach a lot more customers. What do you think? And he said, great in theory, difficult in practice, and I'll tell you why. Three main reasons. One is every item is essentially unique. Whenever you go to Walmart, they got like 500 of them. He does not. So everything is, data entry is difficult there, and then you have volunteers coming in and out. So when you train them, they're gone, etc. Some of them are doing community service. They just got to be there. And then lastly is they actually move a lot of product. The entire showroom floor might be replaced in a couple of weeks. So if you're doing all of this, it all compounds into a bit of a data entry hell at the edge, at the last mile. Namely Mark's problem. So we'll continue the conversation. Divyesh had a really interesting question. Hey, how do you appraise this stuff? Turns out that part is really easy. He just takes Google image scan, reverse image search, take a look at what is available, find something that's the exact same model or very similar, slashes that price in half, and you got an appraisal. Go back to the office, we start doing a little bit of design and come up with the idea, hey, what if we don't change the process at all? We keep it as is, but instead of using Google Scan, he's actually using our app. So Habitat for Humanity, SimpleScan, scan, and we already know who he is. He's logged in, we got Face ID. So when he takes a photo, we actually put it to the cloud, put it in the database, we hit up the reverse image search API, present all the options, he selects the one that matches closest. We use that data to pre-populate the template for the price, half off, the title, and all he has to do is make some final adjustments, maybe to the description, hit submit, shoot it to the cloud. It's now available in the database for all the platforms. So if you want to put it on Facebook Marketplace, you already have the data, you have the inventory. We have basically one SaaS platform for multiple stores, so people can buy at their local location and then pick up. So you got it online, and then you pick it up in the store. That gives you that contact information that you didn't have before. And last but not least, we actually generate a barcode that you could send to a printer, a Bluetooth printer from your phone. You slap it to the furniture, item gets sold, and on their way out the door, you scan that item, automatically delist it from all the stores, and update the inventory. There you go.
So now we're going to try a live demo. I don't think I can do that, so give me a second. All right, so I'm going to use the camera, see if I can get this to, I'm going to take a photo of this chair, see if this is a good angle. Hold on. Give it a second. Okay, there. Okay, confirm. Now imagine you're receiving inventory from donations, and wow, you found actually similar products that actually you could use, and you say, oh, okay, can you hold this for a second? You say, actually, I think the closest product to what I want to put on my system is right here. Then you pick the price, you can modify it, you add a product, now it's on your inventory system, and now you can have a QR code, and then then from there you can go to an actual store where you have the full list of those products added and ready to go. Thank you all. Oh, yes. So I guess, Ivan, you want to present the teams?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, be happy to. So, Ivan, we have Daniel, we have Divyesh, we have Pavan, and we have Juliana. Thank you. Thank you. So developers and our external party subject matter expert, she is still in high school, and she joined us and gave us some external feedback.
Big round of applause, please, for SimpleScan. Good job, guys.
Do we have questions?
3 minutes. Great job, guys. Congratulations. Not sure if I missed this detail, but so the items are online, and then is there a purchasing ability, or is purchasing in person at the store?
There is a purchasing ability. That is not the problem we attempted to solve. We tried to solve the data entry problem, and once it's in the database, we're expecting there to be a single SaaS-like platform where multiple stores have a tendency so they could list all of their local products, and then you could do cross store search.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. All right.
Awesome, thank you all.